Why do I love you so much? Let me count the ways. Microfiber Wholesale is a third-generation family-run business out in California, USA, that make, by far, the best cleaning cloths, mop pads, high-reach dusters, cleaning tools that you will ever find. If you are a cleaning professional, this is your go-to place to get your cleaning supplies. If you're not a cleaning professional and you just want some high-quality cleaning cloths for your home, amazing place to get your supplies. I've been using their cleaning cloths for many years. Their cloths are great for dusting, for removing dirt and grime. They also have glass and mirror cloths, which are so soft and give you a nice lint-free clean shine on your glass and mirrors. You can get their products with my TikTok link down below in the TikTok shop. And when you do use my link, I will earn commission, so thank you very much. But Microfiber Wholesale is the best quality cleaning cloths. What I like about them the most is the durability, the quality, the thickness of the cloths so that it traps the dirt and dust and debris and it doesn't let it go until you wash it. They're very easy to wash. Check out my other videos explaining how to properly wash microfiber cloths so that you don't ruin them. I've had these cloths for years and they're still going strong. And the glass and mirror cloths are by far the best type to use. And for professional cleaners, you can get bulk cloths. So you can get a lot of cloths for all your employees. Use my link down below. Check them out. Let me know what you think. This gets the Crunchified Clean seal of awesomeness. So get your home or office Crunchified Clean with Microfiber Wholesale.